Well, people in Tennessee are only a few days into tornado recovery. Sioux Falls is about to hit the 6-month mark since 3 twisters hit the city. That storm damaged areas of the city, but thankfully no one was reported with any major injuries or death. One of the most damaged buildings, though, was the Avera Heart Hospital. KELOLAND's Brady Mallory brought you one of the first stories on the hospital after the storms. Tonight, he returns to the hospital to see how it's shaping up.
On Tuesday, it'll be 6 months since the Sioux Falls tornadoes.
I just remember the craziness of it.
Registered nurse Matt Hargens was in here at the Avera Heart Hospital during the storms.
I was in surgery with the patient that was having a heart attack at the time. And
that man lived, and here, the team put that patient back together. Out here, the storm had torn everything apart.
Windows were smashed in, and the whole front entrance was smashed in. I mean, debris all over the hallways.
Damage included 350 shattered windows, roof and building damages. There was a lot of plywood covering everything.
So basically the south side of the entire stretch of the building was destroyed.
Fast forward to now, and the hospital is getting back to normal.
So we're nearly 100% complete and back to full operations.
President and CEO Mick Gibbs says final costs are still coming in, but the price tag for this building alone is more than $3.5 million. Next door, you can still see damages at Avera Behavioral Health. Gibbs credits the staff for persevering through a long 6 months of repairs.
While we were knocked down, we weren't knocked out.
Tornadoes can weaken and destroy buildings, but the real heart of this place, the people here, has remained stronger than ever.
We never really skipped a beat, we just kept working through the damage.
Brady Mallory, KELOLAND News.
Now, Brady interviewed that patient who had the heart attack during the tornado to see what both he and his wife went through that night. We've included a link under this story on KELOLAND.com.